Let's learn about the most commonly used words in English, articles. Articles are small words placed before nouns to show whether something is general or specific. There are two types: definite article, the, and indefinite articles, a, and. We use a before words with consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds. For example, a dog, an orange, a car, an elephant. We use the when talking about something specific or already mentioned. Examples: the sun, the book you gave me, the Taj Mahal. Look at the difference. I saw a movie, any movie. I saw the movie, a specific one. Follow the channel Facts Wired for more videos.